everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I am super excited as I am releasing our third card class or stamp a stack out of the Christmas 2025 Christmas card class series, okay? If you're new to me and you're just finding about this program, let me just tell you a little bit about this. So every year I release a card class, a Christmas card class with 4 different designs, and you get to make 3 of each of them for a total of 12 cards. So when you finish or when you take all 5 card classes, you have 60 cards ready to go for the holidays. So this is the way for me to help you get ready for the holidays without the stress. So anyway, so this is one of my favorite programs because I love designing Christmas classes and I love playing with the Christmas sets. So this is the one, this is the number 3. And at this point, Stamp Stack number 1 and Stamp Stack number 2 are ready only on my store as a tutorial basis. Okay, so you can purchase a tutorial for class 1 and 2, and you can go at creatingwithali.com/shop, and I'll put here a link to it so that you can check it out. All right, but today we're talking about card class number 3. So this one is featuring the Festive Friends, which, by the way, let me just show you here. It's a cute one. I just love how it looks. It has a Santa, an elf, and a snowman. Very cutesy. I think you can play with these and coordinate them with lots of different designer series paper, and then it has these dies which have a really cute tag that you can use for your gifts. And then there's other standalone like snowflakes and trees, and of course you can die cut all the images from this set. So definitely a must-have for you. But of course you can always substitute with anything you already have. All right, so let me just talk to you about the 2 different options about this class. So I have 2 options. Option 1 is for those of you who want to get the make and take kit, where I melt the cardstock as well as a PDF. You have a PDF with all the links to the video tutorial, the pictures, as well as the measurements. Now, I like to do video tutorials because I feel like I can share with you more tips, as well as you can see a step-by-step how to put together the cards. I have a video just to let you know, or just to show you how to color the different images. I give you some tips. I actually show you how to make the garden green blend because we don't have one marker like that. So I show you how you can get this color, and then I also show you in the video how you can get the bows showing all the same size, the same side, right? The shimmery side. As you can see here, there's ribbon. You have a side that has a shimmery and one that doesn't. I show you how to do those bows where both ends end up being with the shiny side. So anyway, I just feel video tutorials is the way to go for me because I can give you even more details and more tips to get ready for your cards. All right, so that's option 1. With you get the make and take kit, you get the PDF with a tutorial. You also get a full pack of the Christmas stacks and more, which is this one. You get a full pack. It does have some ephemera pieces here, as well as some of the designer series paper have some pieces that you can cut out to make standalone cards. So after making your 12 cards, you'll have plenty of paper still to play with and to make more cards for sure. You're also going to be getting a full pack of the traditional sparkling sequins, which is this, and then you also get the spool of the real red shimmery. Is that shimmery or shiny? It's a shiny ribbon, okay? Which is amazing. I just love how it looks. All right, so this option is $75, and you can get it on the registration link, or you can sign up on the registration link down below. Okay, you do have the option on that registration link to get the bundle. So if you don't have this one and want to add it, make sure you select the option with the bundle, or add this one as an add-on. And also, I have an option for those of you who already have everything, you just need a tutorial. I have a pre-sale of the tutorial, and that one is also on the registration link, and it is $20. So whether you want to be getting the make and take kit or the tutorial, make sure you check out the registration link on the description of this video, because that way you can sign up right away. Now, the tutorial eventually will go also into my store, again, at creatingwithali.com/shop. However, I highly recommend that if you want to get a tutorial, get it already on the registration link, because that way you're going to get the tutorial as soon as I am mailing the kit, rather than waiting until I post it into my shop. Mainly because I post the links a little bit after the fact, so I mail it and then after the fact I will upload it into the tutorial store. So if you don't want to be waiting, or you don't want to be kind of looking into the website just to see if I had already posted, the best thing is just to get it on the registration link. Also, if you are outside the United States and you want to get the tutorial, you can do it there. Or if you're the fellow demonstrator and want to get those cards, same thing, you can also register on the registration link. So anyway, I hope you enjoy making Christmas cards, and I hope I can get to see you in this one, because I'm sure you're gonna love making these cute cards. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.